Kayla with WTI, and this playpen from TODALE is a must-have mom accessory. When there's a little baby around, sometimes it can be so difficult to just be able to get the simplest things done, even going to the bathroom. But utilizing this awesome play yard, the baby can be in a secure location while you get just a little bit done. I love the size of this play yard. It's 50 inches by 50 inches, and honestly, I was blown away at just how much space was in there. There was plenty of space, not only for the baby, but other kids or even myself as an adult too. I love how breathable it is too. Because it has the netting 360 degrees around it, you can see the children inside at every angle, and it allows a really nice airflow through there. What's really nice about this is it grows with the kids. So it's perfect for a small baby who really can't move around or who is rolling, but it's also great for the mobile toddlers too. It gives them a nice fence around them and a space where they can play and have independence. I was impressed at how well it assembled together. The pieces locked into place really nicely. The cushion around the attachment areas was a really nice additional feature to just help prevent little bumps along the way. If you're looking for something to keep up all the time or something that's portable, this comes with a really nice carrying bag as well. So if you're looking for the perfect baby gift or you have a new baby in your life, definitely check out this adorable playpen from TODALE. And that's just my point of view.